Hey Wagwan, if you watch this video to the end, you learn how to upload the music to TikTok all by yourself. I'm Class Clinic, is Pastor Troll Boy. If you're new here on my channel, kindly hit on the red subscribe button below. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. If you're interested in the video, let's get into the video right now. Okay, the first step you have to make is to sign up on track.co. I'll drop the link in the description below, and then we are good to go. Next, we're clicking on release new music. Now click on upload music. Okay, to take you to the section where you are going to input the music info, the song, the single title over here, the cover art, the track, and then you're good to go. Let me just input something over here, single title, let me say gently, actually not. Okay, let me click on the cover art by upload the image by clicking on browse. Now go here. It's uploading. While I can also add my track while my cover art is uploading. Browse. Now go over to audio. Just pick something over here. Let me see this. Okay. My cover art has uploaded successfully. Then I click on next while my track is uploading. Next step. And then it will take you to the section where you add your genre, the artist name, and so on. Okay, my artist name is there already. Record label. Let me just say Trouble. Okay. Then I select my genre, hip hop, rap, and let me choose maybe as secondary. Okay. Then I click on next step. Make sure you hit on the red subscribe button below if you haven't done that, and let's continue with the video. And then you're going to click on your release date and the stores. So here is the main thing, your release date. Let me choose. I click. I choose a release date wisely, but I prefer choosing my. Let me see, 25 January. Okay. Right here. Don't forget to upload your music to TikTok. TikTok. I'm going to choose my TikTok. Okay, I'm good to go, and I choose TikTok. Next step, I'm going to go over there. See, then my version is an original version. Click on original, not an instrumental. But if you are uploading sounds, I think you're going to choose yes, it's an instrumental, and you're going to choose your explicit or clean. You add the lyrics over here, language over here,
Let me see. Sorry, English. ISRC. ISRC. If you know what ISRC is, I talked about it. I'll link a card right here as right corner for you to know what ISRC means. And it's not necessary for you to, if you don't own one, they will generate one for you for free. This way I'm going to do your ownership, everything, and you're good to go. And this is where you add your language, English, then where you split. Make sure you watch this to the end. Make sure you watch this to the end. I'm just gonna show you something. Then this is where you select the time of 30-second audio preview for this song. This audio preview will be used primarily in TikTok, App Music, and everything. So this 30 seconds I'll be choosing over here will be used as a preview on TikTok. So you have to choose it wisely over here. I see. Then you are good to go. After clicking on summary, then your song has been released successfully to TikTok. Then you need to say a song on TikTok. That's how to go about it.
Oh, thanks for watching that amazing video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and don't forget to click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly smash on the red subscribe button below, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified. Once again, I'm Clean, aka Superstar Boy. We'll meet on the next video. Peace.